Hello, my name is Martin and welcome to video number 6. In this video I will show you our maintenance section in AutoFrontal. This category contains information based on the thousands of questions that we receive each year regarding maintenance. And with good reason. The demands and variations of making a maintenance service according to the OE standards are not making things easier for us. Now remember that this is not a substitute for a technical data program. It is merely based on the questions that we receive in our hotline, and this is from Workshop who has access to several technical data programs but still have doubts about something related to maintenance. So let's take a look on what you can find in the maintenance section. Select the category Maintenance and click Search. You now see all the bulletins that relate to maintenance. At the top you can see the bulletins marked critical. As a default, the bulletins are sorted by popularity. It is always nice to know what information most workshops need on the specific vehicle. Let's try and sort the bulletins alphabetically. On this model, we receive a lot of questions on how to change the DSG oil in the 0CK transmission. So let's try and search the word transmission in the maintenance section. Here you can see how to identify the transmission, so you don't have any doubt that you have selected the correct transmission. You will need a little tool to fill in the oil. A little explanation why this transmission is somewhat special. Part of this is because of the pressure accumulator and the electric ATF pump. In addition, we also show the procedure for how to change the manual transmission oil. Even though this is not a part of the OE maintenance service schedule, I am sure that the transmission is going to like this in the end. And therefore a lot of our customers from the independent workshops choose to change this oil too at some point. You can find a lot of information like this about the various transmissions that are being used in most cars today. We also receive a lot of questions about this sports differential that has both ATF oil and MTF oil. Sunroof is also an important thing to check during maintenance. We don't want those water drains to clog so the water enters the inside of the vehicle and causes damage to all the control units and wires. Let's try and take this BMW 5 Series. Here's some help to fill in the online service book. We receive a lot of questions on this online service book on all car brands. When doing a maintenance service on this plug-in hybrid from Kia, there's also a special procedure when changing the brake fluid. In hybrid models from Toyota, you should pay close attention to the air filter to the high voltage battery. On engines with timing belt running in oil, things can also go wrong. We here share information that we have several cases on. Engines where the timing belt breaks from a mileage around 150,000 kilometers, even though the OE recommend is to replace it at 240,000 kilometers. So, I hope that you could see the value in this section, especially if you are doing a maintenance on a car that you are not yet familiar with. Thank you for watching this video and bye for now.